Hey all, welcome back to Tech and Prep. Quick video on AI. AI. Oh my God, it's gonna take my job. Oh my God, it's gonna replace us all. Skynet is on the way. It probably is, but you know, where's John Connor? Where's John Connor? Do we have a Sarah Connor in the house? Do we have a John Connor in the house? I don't know. But this is why, as someone who's been in tech for almost 30 years, multiple degrees, highly certified, all the stuff, I'm not worried about my job. Why am I not worried about my job? Because this stupid bullshit happens right here. Amazon had a 13-hour outage in December. Do you know what caused that outage? The coding assistant, the AI coding assistant, decided to delete and recreate the whole fucking environment. Amazon lets AI into the production environment. And even with a human behind the keyboard, AI decided that that environment was not what it should be, deleted the whole damn thing, recreated it on its own, no prompting, well, of course I had permission to do it. I didn't ask. There was no, are you sure? Right? There was no back and forth. There was no cab tickets. There was no discussion. No, wiped out production, took it down, recreated it, had to be restored. 13-hour outage for Amazon Web Services. That is huge. This is why I'm not afraid of AI taking over yet, at least in the time of my career, because this kind of shit happens. Just be aware. Everything you have is tied to Amazon in one way or another, or Azure, or Cloudflare, or Google Cloud, or any one of the other ones. Most of the bigger vendors like Facebook and Google have their own data centers. They have their own stuff. They have their own private clouds, but everything ties into everything else. For example, a lot of the vendors we use, their management stuff and their logging and their reporting stuff is in one of the major clouds. So when this stuff goes down, that's when stuff will go down. And if you're ever curious, just random, go look at Down Detector. Down Detector is a pretty cool website. It'll show you globally any kind of outages. So typically there's always going to be some sort of a blip in the matrix, right? But you can see when there's actually big outages. So if you come on here and everything is nice and calm, that's good. But if you go on there and all of a sudden it was calm and then it shot up to the roof, kind of like whatever's going on here for Crunchyroll, that's not good. So this is something you can use so you can kind of keep track of that kind of stuff. The other one is kind of neat. It's like, what is it? Real-time hack map, I think it's called. I remember what this thing is called. Checkpoint. This is kind of cool. This actually shows you the live cyber threats that are going on. Oh, look, United States or Russia. Color me shocked. Wow. Looks like, oh, here we go. Catching up. Germany is Sweden. Oh, look at China. Gee, you think China's doing anything bad? This is a fun map. I need to put this up on my other monitor up here. Watch this during the day. Let's look in the United States, shall we? Botnets, info stealers, banking outages, ransomware, mobile. The sky is falling. What about Russia? What's going on in Brazil? Lots of botnets. I should do a video on botnets. Anyhow, sorry for the tangent. AI. Pay attention. That's all I can say.